Hello guys, on this particular video I'm going to be showing you how to post your Pinterest pin with your system. Okay, so on my previous video I showed you guys how to post a Pinterest pin with your mobile phone. So on this particular video I'm going to be showing you how to post a Pinterest pin with your system or with your laptop. So when you come to Pinterest and you go to your profile, if you want to post a Pinterest pin, all you just have to do is to click here where you see create, click on it. So once you click on create, the next thing you're going to see is pin, board and collage. Okay, so all you just have to do is to click on pin. All right, once you click on pin, this is what is going to pop out for you on your screen. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is to tap on this, click on this, and then select the image you want to post on your Pinterest account. Okay, once you select the image, once you have selected the image, the next thing you're going to do is to scroll down to where you're going to see your title, description, link, board, tags and other options. Okay, so now let's get into it. For the title, it simply means you should indicate the title of your pin design. So the title of our pin design is 20 cheap romantic dates ideas for teens. So once you have written 20 cheap romantic date ideas for teens, okay, so let me show you another method on how you can do some keyword research for a particular topic. So right now the keyword here is date ideas for teens. Okay, the keyword on this particular topic is date ideas for teens. So let me show you how you can get keywords for a particular topic on Pinterest. So all you just have to do is to copy this your keyword, copy this keyword here, and then come to the search bar, up here and paste in your keyword. Okay, so once you paste in your keyword, you're going to see the options that Pinterest will pop out for you. Okay, all these topics you see here are topics that people are searching for on Pinterest. Okay, they are topics that people are searching for on Pinterest, and that is how to indicate keywords on Pinterest, and that is how you can know some important keywords on Pinterest. So from this now, the next thing you're going to do is to copy all these keywords, because these are the keywords that people are searching for on Pinterest, and you need to indicate them in your description. Okay, you need to indicate them in your description. So I just copied all the keywords now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to paste all those things I copied, is to paste it in my description. Okay, and then adjust them properly, okay, so once you're done adjusting the keywords that you have copied from the Pinterest search bar, the next thing you're going to do is to indicate your instruction, which is click here to visit sites, or click here to read more. Okay, then the next thing you're going to do, copy the link address of the topic you're working on and paste it here where it says indicate your link. Okay, and the next thing you're going to do is to select your board. Okay, so the right board for this particular pin is date ideas. All right, date ideas. And then the next thing you're going to do is to indicate related tags. Now tags are very important on Pinterest. The reason why tags are important on Pinterest is because if you choose your tags on Pinterest, It will help Pinterest to understand what your pin design is talking about. Okay, it will help Pinterest to understand what your pin design is talking about in order to push it to the right audience. All right, in as much as you have indicated your keywords on your description and also on your title, it is also important to indicate some important keywords or important tags. It is also important to indicate important tags that are related to this design. So let's search for our tags. Okay, tags are more like keywords. Okay, let's search for our tags. So I'll be typing in date night. Okay, yeah, I'm just searching on. Okay, so as you can see here, all I am doing here is just to indicate important keywords that I feel are related to the topic I am working on. So you tag as many tags as possible. So the limited tags to select is 10. Once you select up to 10, the limited tags to select are 10. Okay, are 10 tags. So once you select up to 10 tags, you will be out of tags. Okay, you will no longer be allowed to select more tags. But for now, I just want to work with this particular tag here, which is date night outfit, dates, romance, relationship advice, date night. So these are the tags that I feel are related to the topic I am working on. So once you're done, the next thing you're going to do is to schedule your post. So this is how you schedule your post on Pinterest. All right, this is how you schedule posts on Pinterest. Click on this and then scroll down, select the date. Okay, select the date of when you want your pin to go live. Do you want your pin to go live on Sunday? Do you want your pins to go live on this day? So for me, I want my pin to go live today, but I want my pin to go live. For me, I want my pin to go live today, but I want my pin to go live by 10 p.m. today. So once I am done and I am okay with what I have selected in all these options, okay, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on scheduled. Okay, is to click on scheduled and click on yeah, and that is how you post your Pinterest pin with your laptop, and also that is how you schedule your Pinterest post with your system, and also that is how you select the right hashtags. Okay, that is how you post on Pinterest with your system. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be dropping more tips, more tutorials on Pinterest, Canva and ghostwriting. So see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.